up, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have read by the title, this is a Nykaa haul video and I'm doing it for the first time. I'm super excited to do this video, and the reason behind doing this video is that I do a lot of shopping from Nykaa. My almost every skincare and makeup is from Nykaa, so I thought to share with you guys. This time also I have ordered my skincare and my makeup. What all I have ordered, they are try and test. Without any delay, let's get started. Let's open it and see what all I have ordered. So alright, so the first thing came out from the box is this, the Pore Facial Primer. This is one of my favorite primer. I just swear by. Guys, already I have mentioned you that whatever I have ordered, they are try and tested. And this product does wonder underneath when you have to do makeup. It minimizes your pores and your foundation blends evenly, and it gives you a smooth finish, and it holds makeup for so long. I know it is inexpensive, but trust me, you must try it and there's no looking. Alright, so the second product is this Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. Trust me, I have used this product earlier and it is too good for people who is so busy, who has to go out every day. I mean, it is a blessing for them. I have always had an issue of greasy hair and I used to shampoo a lot, like no matter what, I'm running out of time but I have to shampoo. But ever since I have started using this, I don't have to hardly shampoo for twice, but it is perfect for on the go person. You just have to take it and divide your hair. Let me do it for you guys, and just spray it and just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes wherever you need, wherever your hair is greasy or oily. So just spray it over there and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then comb it. You will see that your hair has become more fluffy and bouncy, and it makes your hair look shiny too, and it smells amazing. So do try it, and trust me, it is not a sponsored video. I'm telling you guys through my experience, like whatever I have used. As I told you guys, they are try and tested products, whatever I am going to show you. So you guys can try it, and it is a must try product, and use it. I'm sure if you will start using it, there's no looking back, you guys. First of all, I love the packaging of this product. This is so travel friendly and convenient. You can carry it anywhere. It would be easily fit in your purse or anything. And secondly, it is great for oily skin type, and it makes your skin soft and plumpy. It's value for money. No breakouts, no rashes, only amazing skin. And the texture of the product is really great. You must buy it and try it for once. I bought this hair mask after reading a lot of positive reviews, and it is true when product is doing so much justice on your hair. After using it, my hair started looking shiny and healthy, and it contains argan, and argan is good for hair growth and frizz control. And I like the packaging too. It's not a typical foil sealed cover. So again, this is one of my best purchase, and I will tell you guys to buy it and try it for sure. And the next product is again from Mama Earth Cocoa Body Lotion. Though it is so creamy and moisturizing, but it doesn't make your skin oily and greasy. It locks the hydration into your skin for so many hours. Personally, I don't like the smell because I like floral and fruity smell, but still it is really good and super affordable body lotion. You guys must try it. So the next product is my LA Pro concealer. I'm in love with this concealer. I mean, it is the best concealer I have ever used, and I don't need to rave much about it. It is super affordable and it's so handy. It's travel friendly. Every girl should have in their purse. So you guys must try. It's must have product. And the next product is my beauty blender from Fit Me Puff, and it is super good. It is right in the middle of so soft and so hard. I mean, it blends your foundation very well, and I love this beauty blender. I mean, there was a time I used to blend my foundation with my finger, but now ever since I started using this beauty blender, it has got amazing shape too. I do blend my foundation from this side, and this is for concealer. You can blend your foundation from this side, and you can blend your concealer from top of the beauty blender, and it is too good. I mean, do try it, use it. It is super affordable and super helpful. So last but not the least, I'm going to show you my foundation, which is still packed, and let me unpack it in front of you guys and let's see. Actually, this is a foundation from Smashbox. It's an amazing brand, and I need scissors. So alright, this is the foundation I have ordered from Nykaa. This is a Smashbox foundation, and it is Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation. This is the only product which I have not used yet. I have already used a Smashbox foundation, but I haven't used this particular foundation shade, 24-hour wear hydrating foundation, which I'm going to use, and I got so many good feedbacks about it. That's why I have bought it. This foundation is known for hydration, and it has all that is needed to be a good foundation in a humid weather. So yeah, let's see how it is from inside. Alright, it looks like this. So this was the last product of my Nykaa haul video. Alright guys, that brings to the end of my video, and I hope you like my video, and if you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and do watch it, and I will keep coming with new and good videos, coming with good content too. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, tata, bye.
Be